Bucky stand is a film shooting auxiliary device that can move up and down. It can be used in conjunction with various X-ray machines to perform X-ray examination of various parts of the body including chest, head, abdomen and pelvis. Bucky stand consists of four parts: column, slide frame, bucky and balancing device. Filter grid is optional. The height of our bucky stand is about 2 meters, and it can be divided into many types. Newheek bucky stand can be divided into fixed type, mobile type and suspension type. According to bucky lifting mode, it can be divided into manual type, electric type and automatic type. The loading method is divided into formal loading and side loading. We can also provide bucky stand with the service of installing any moving base and easy to install. Just fixed on the moving base, it can not only cooperate with the film bed, but also reduce the floor area when used independently. Reduce the working pressure of medical staff. Newheek bucky stand has beautiful appearance, flexible and reliable operation. Our bucky stand can meet your different purchasing needs.